In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse open positions in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to flip an existing long into a short or a short into a long using TradingView's built-in tools. Reversing a position means closing your current trade and opening an equal-sized trade in the opposite direction in one action, which can save precious seconds in fast-moving markets. Start by heading to tradingview.com and sign in so your layouts and broker or paper trading connections are available. Open the chart you want to manage. If you have multiple layouts, pick the one where you normally trade so your tools, indicators, and symbol watch lists load correctly. Make sure you're on the correct instrument and time frame so you're reversing the position you actually intend to manage. Look toward the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. If you don't see it, expand the bottom area to reveal the panel. Click Trade to bring up your trading interface. This is where you connect to your broker or use the built-in paper trading account for practice. Confirm that your current position is visible in the panel or on the chart, including size and direction, so you know exactly what you're about to reverse. Next, open the DOM or depth of market. Click DOM in the trading panel. The DOM displays a ladder of prices along with bid and ask liquidity, and it includes quick action controls. It's designed for rapid order entry and position management, which is why the reverse function lives here. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the DOM layout so you don't misclick when the market is moving quickly. Within the DOM controls, locate the reverse button. Clicking reverse will close your current open position and immediately open the same size in the opposite direction, typically using market orders. For example, if you're long 2 contracts, reversing will close those 2 and open short 2. Be aware that this action can trigger slippage and fees, and it can also interact with any attached stop loss or take profit orders. In many setups, reversing cancels the existing brackets tied to the old position and creates new brackets for the new one, but behavior can vary by broker connection and settings. If a confirmation prompt appears, review the details, instrument, size, and direction, then confirm to execute. That's the full process. Go to TradingView, open your chart, click Trade at the bottom, open the DOM, and use the reverse button to flip your position instantly. Practice with paper trading first to get comfortable, double-check position size before clicking, and always be mindful of volatility and liquidity when using instant actions like reverse.